Day in the life of a social housing engineer. Today on Domestic. As you can see, I'm stripping parts out of this boiler. Taking a step back, I showed you this on my story the other day. This was a 4-element back heat exchanger that were passing, causing pressure loss. So the actual heat exchanger split. So we need to replace that. So here we go. While I'm actually draining the boiler, I'll take the burners out and do other bits and pieces, disconnecting certain leads and certain brackets, because I can do that until I get to the water parts. Then once it's fully drained, I can do the water parts. Once I put everything back together, I will refill the boiler before I put the burners in and leave it for about 5 minutes or so, just to ensure I've got no leaks. Once I've done that and I've got it all filled back up, the burners are in, I need to be able to check certain gas connections with LDF because it's after the gas valve tightness test won't show it. So I run it up on hot water and that burns off the film inside, burns off any grease before I analyse the boiler. I can then test the gas connections. That's that heat exchanger done, and we've got nice warm tenants again.